Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Let's take this bird nest to looking like yes. Okay, all right, so on the screen I have all the things that you're gonna need. Let's be honest, I don't really feel like repeating them, but claw clips, boar bristle brush, satin scarf, detangling brush, a rat tail comb. You're gonna need some setting foam, scrunchies, and lots of them, and edge control, and some gel or jam. I'm going to be using both. If you're 4C, you know what I mean. But the extreme gel is really good too, but you need that extra hold. Now I'm going to part my hair where I want my part to be parted, like where I want the lay to lay, you know what I mean. And I'm going to use some shine and jam to make my part nice and crispy. I didn't show, but after I did the shine and jam, I went through my part again. Now I'm just using my rat tail comb to lay it on the side. Now let's get into the slickianess, okay? Clip some sections of your hair away and work on the bottom half. Of course, detangle if you haven't already. And I didn't show here, but I'll show it again. I used just the extreme gel to like lay my roots, and I used a rubber band to secure this little pony in the back. Slick! Now I'm gonna use another section about like equal size and detangle that as well. I just came out of like a protective style, so yeah, she dirty and she needs some detangling. Now here I'm using the Wetline Extreme Gel again, putting it mainly at my roots so that it can lay as flat as possible. And I'm going to use the boar bristle brush to smooth everything down nice and neat, like, you know what I'm saying, to get it flat as possible. Then I'll gather that with the first ponytail that we made and use another rubber band and create one ponytail. She is smooth, okay? So now we're going back to the front section, and we'll use the smaller part of that area that was sectioned off in the front, detangle her, and this is where the mousse comes in. I like to apply the mousse especially in the front of my hair because that's where I need maximum layage. Okay, so I did the foam. Now I'm using my edge control only on my edges. You don't want that thing to get cakey. You don't want it to be caked up. Okay. Then of course I'm styling my edges how I like, just making sure she, you know, looking like she looking. And then now we're gonna go in with the shine and jam. Now this is really important because if you have 4C hair that's really thick, the gel does great for defining, but that jam is a more heavy, like waxy consistency that will help it lay, especially when you have shorter hair and you need all of her to slick down and gather in the back. So I used the jam, brushed it through with my detangling brush, combed it through with my rat tail comb, then went in with the boar bristle brush to smooth it, and I gathered it in the back with the rest of the ponytail. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I parted that remainder of the section again and detangled, doing my edges, and I did the foam, the jam, and everything. Now for the top piece, my hair tends to be thicker on the top, so I'm dividing that into like mini sections and doing the same process of detangling, using my extreme wetline gel, and as well as some shine and jam, brushing it through with my detangling brush, and then I'm gonna slick everything down with more Wetline Extreme Gel and jam as needed. As you can see, it is saturated with gel and jam. And one thing I do like about the combo, it does not leave your hair white and gunky and that flaky cast. It does not. Now the key to this is going to be your satin scarf. Lay that thing down, girl. Lay her down. Like lay it down tight to make sure that all your edges stay. And this one that I have, like it has a tail, so I wrap it around where the pony is so that I have nice even pressure all throughout the ponytail. Now for the attachment. Okay, the link to this hair will be in the description box. She is bomb. I don't remember the name right now. Okay, but as you can see, the texture looks a little bit too uniform, so I just added some foam, and I'm using my detangling brush to detangle her to give her a more realistic look. And I'm going to use some of my Wetline Extreme Gel to define especially the ends, because I don't really like how the ends were looking. But this is how she looks now after I did my thing. Okay, now after doing that, it should have been like about a good 15 minutes, and as you can see, my hair is laid. She laid. Okay, it is laid. Yes, I could not. I was like, ooh, child, yes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and basically tie my hair into a little bun in the back, and this pony holder attachment has two clips, one on the top and one at the bottom. I clip the one at the bottom, I push it into my ponytail at the bottom, and then push it into my ponytail at the top. Then I pull the drawstring to make it nice and tight. Then I take a section of the hair from the ponytail attachment and wrap it around the base to give it a nice, finished, neat, and flawless look. And as you can see, she's swinging that thing. Okay, now I just wanted to show you a style alternative that I did if you want that claw clip half up, half down style. So you can do that with this. I just separated a little section at the top of the ponytail attachment and use my claw clip, and this is how it looks. She is banging, and I love how the texture of this hair matches my natural hair texture perfectly. I absolutely love this. I had another one that I had like a few years ago that I loved too, but I can't find it, so I ended up doing some more research and buying this one, and I actually love this one even more. Like, the fullness of this is amazing. And you can definitely style this so many other ways, like doing a twist out with it and then letting it, you know, fluff out. It would look so amazing. But this is a quick, simple style on how you can get a nice, sleek looking ponytail when you're in that short natural hair phase. I am shocked that the majority of my hair was able to collect in a ponytail at the back. Only this little piece in the front, she acting up. But for your quick, easy, simple, protective style, or I should say low manipulation style, get it, girl. Links to everything will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share if there's someone you feel would find this information valuable. Until next time, guys, bye-bye.